Thank you so much, all of you, for taking the time to joining the end of year workshop and celebrating all the achievements that we've had, especially during this year.
Thank you very much for Amazon for providing this room. I'm going to say a little bit about AI as an introduction to our talks in just a few moments when I also introduce our sponsors. But I'd like to start, please, with an acknowledgement of country.
In terms of who we are as an organisation, we are absolutely thrilled to have you.
The generative intelligence over time, again based on the collective learning, helped us to have a very specific innovation, which is artificial intelligence.
Because it is very effective at telling a story of how the fraudsters are using deepfake technology and AI in general in order to create new personas.
It's a lot of applications. Yes, when we talk about the collections, prepares is to a very exciting readings, short readings.
It's a prestigious award and extremely, extremely competitive.
It doesn't skip over the knowledge you need to have in the technology itself.
Or like know your customer KYC or data privacy. So we should be able to understand what AI is generating, and we should be able to highlight and figure out as a researcher.
It shows you the maturity in terms of your engineering skills rather than just word coding in an interview.
Agentic AI is a task-based approach where you just summarize a document, take an action.
The ultimate question really is, does it work? Is it working? And the answer is yes, it absolutely is.
When we talk about our work in our research, that's what we want to do. We try to provide a hope for our patients.
AI and specifically large language models.
And it can actually turn on and off those actual appliances at the most efficient time for your home.
How do you actually keep the human in the loop? And how do you train the people to actually oversight AI or something?
It's really the linking between all the data.
The evolution of the last year from ridiculous hallucinations to now, pretty much decent.
AI does really well whenever there's a question around efficiency.
We need to know how the algorithm arrived at the outcome.
And I'm looking forward to next year, with lots of new contributions from our side and lots of support from sponsors, students, and all the colleagues. Thank you so much.